Hi, today's video will show the completion of the front deck. The carpenter put the top handrail back on. The carpenter also framed out the closet for the hot water heater and the expansion of the walk-in closet. The plumber was in. He did a lot of plumbing for the drain pipes. He also did some gas line connections for the stove and for the clothes dryer, and he also did some duct work for the heating system. The siding guy showed up today. He was supposed to show up this coming Monday, but it looked like rain, so he figured he'd start today and work the weekend, and he figures he'll be there for maximum 1 week, so hopefully that gets done soon. So hopefully you like this video, and if you do, please like and subscribe. Thank you. It's been 2 weeks since anything has happened. The top railing is now installed on the front deck. Nice. Looks good. The gas connection has been installed for the stove. I don't know if you can see, it's a little dark in there. The new closets have been installed where the shower was. This is for the hot water heater. The hot water heater will be on this side, which will be accessed from the hallway. Step back. That's where the hot water heater will be. The vent was here. I'm not sure where it is now. We'll take a look if I can find it. And now this door should be a 30-inch door, because the hot water heater is actually 28 inches wide. Yeah, I wanted to make sure we had at least equal space on both sides of the toilet for this new wall. This is the view from inside the walk-in closet. This will just be sheetrocked, I guess, and it'll be nice and wide here. This is the new rug. They're going to be replacing the rug in the living room because of the leak that we had in that corner. This opening that expanded the walk-in closet is actually 36 inches wide, which is really nice. Gives us a lot of extra space. Obviously the plumber was here. He got a lot done. All these connections here. Let's see. Wow. Well, they started putting in the heating vents leading over to, I guess the furnace will be over in that location someplace. Yeah, they got the heating vents up pretty high, which is nice. This side will be mostly for storage. The other side, we can obviously use it for storage, but with the pipes hanging low, it might be a little difficult. This is the gas line for the dryer, clothes dryer. The vent still needs to be hooked up in the basement area. I'm outside here. Boy, I can't get it in the camera. There it is. This is the gas inlet, I guess, where the tanks will be here.